Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Bloodstrike mobile account to PC. So let's start with the first step, which is to open your Bloodstrike on your mobile device and tap on the settings or the gear icon from the main menu. So this will open the game settings where you can manage your account. So you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account before attempting to link. Next step is to navigate to the account section in the settings and look for the options which says link account or NetEase account. So this is where you will set up the cross-platform syncing. So if you don't have a NetEase account, you may need to create one first. Next step is generate QR code on your PC. So download and open the Bloodstrike on your PC, and on the login screen, just select the QR code login option, and a scannable QR code will appear on your PC screen. So the PC version is free on the official Bloodstrike website. Next step is use your mobile phone and the Bloodstrike application to scan the QR code displayed on your PC. So you just have to open the in-game scanner or use the QR code options in the account setting. So just make sure that your phone camera is focused and the QR code is clearly visible. Lastly is confirm successful link. So after scanning the login on your mobile device, your PC will now log in with the same account. So syncing all your progress, the skins, and the inventory. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!